Uh, Here's an update on the steering wheel. This is how it came out. I still don't have the horn wiring on there done. I may have to loosen it up again right here and get it closer. I don't know how much of a gap you need to have between here and here. It would be nice if I can get it enough to that you can fit like a quarter in here. So that's that. And here's a painted steering column. Came out nice. There's your steering wheel. That Rustoleum flake steering wheel. Got a lot of pits on that. Maybe one day I can get that finished off with this as well. You see, look, got a lot of pits here. But it's a driver. Okay, and here's a following part for one of my viewers out there had a question on how to get the instrument cluster out of here. I would do two things. I would loosen these screws. And let me see if I have the tool with me right here. Here's a regular screwdriver, along with a 1/2 inch. Gonna be tight in there. You need to make sure that you find the correct one, or if you have a spare one, you may have to shave on it a little bit because it's a very tight location in here. So I would loosen that up so the steering column can drop onto the seat if you have a seat, because once you get this loose, there's only one way to get it out. If you have your steering wheel and you don't want to scratch your steering column, you'd have to go up, pull it up and away. If you loosen this, you can have your hand down here, and once you loosen all your screws that are holding this up, you can be able to reach it. So anyways, back to the this right here. So I would use a small stubby screwdriver, if that's what you call it, stubby, and come down here through the bottom here. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna be able to get to it. This video is like really off the cuff, but let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm sticking my hand back there. And I might just have to take this off again. I'll show you that in another video. But you would reach back here behind the steering column, and like that, there's one right there. There's one Phillips screw right there. Let me move this wiring out of the way. I'm not able to move it. Okay, but there's one right there. See that? Trying to focus. Let's see if I can do that. Right there. There's one right there. And there's a total of 4 of them. One on the left side, top left side, top right side. And there would be 2 on the bottom as well. Trying to see if I can catch a glimpse of one. but there's 4 of them. I'll do another video some other time. I do have a video up where I'm showing the instrument cluster, and it shows you where the tabs are at, so you could probably go by that. All right, hopefully you will able to get some pointers on this, and good luck. Let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We'll have some more videos in the future. I have another video coming up of up here. I don't know if y'all have seen my headliner. That's what it looks like. Sadly enough, it has the this car came with the lights on each side of the roof rail. Nice looking lights, but when the headliner got done, those holes got deleted. But I'm planning on doing something nifty on here. I had the roof ribs right here, plastic ones. I gave them to one of my friends because he needed them. I'm gonna do some other option here. I'm gonna do some, well, stay tuned to a video and y'all get to see in the future, and let me know what y'all think. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Adios.